Yes, just a small archway to grow our grapevine over. Made out of some sticks I cut back in the winter. Yes, and thanks to my uncle Ashley's string he gave me before we left. Yeah, and a nice glass of, you like to think it's wine, but it's not. It's happy green stuff. Good for a healthy drink you might have every day. But yes, rough here. So now the vine's got somewhere to go, and we have a lovely archway into our source. So yeah, be nice. Yes, it's a gorgeous hot day again. I've been in the basin, it's lovely in the swimming pool, cool down, and now I have to go and take my digger to another job, unfortunately, and get back for Florence's dancey dance.
We're busy these days, aren't we?
Very busy.
And
the kids.
This is you with no hair.
Oh yes, shaved off it. Again, smile. I know, crack the camera now.
Let me go around this side because the sun might be in you.
Ah, yeah, this way that is.
And see the arch.
You see the arch?
You're amazing.
That's good. The arch will be nice. The vine's coming on lovely. It's loving this weather. Yeah, so let's hope we can get some grapes this year. Last year it turned miserable when it rained and turned cold and we lost everything. Even all our tomatoes, thanks to tomato.
Garden gets better every year.
But this year I think we're on it.
Okay.
Abundance of strawberries this year.
Yeah, we're strawberried out, aren't we?
Yeah, strawberry jam.
Yeah, I became an expert in strawberry jam. Bless you. A test away. Do you like the chimes?